Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Razer Synapse doesn't have macro module. So without further ado, let's get started. All you need to do here is to open up Razer Synapse, and then you need to go to modules, and then on modules you will see a macro, and then you just need to add it, and then you just need to press install and restart. We need to wait for a few seconds here until module is installed. And after module is installed, under the modules, it should be, as you can see here, macro. And then all you need to do here is to go to dashboard, select your mouse, then select what click you want to assign a macro. And then here should be macro, and then you can assign the things here, right? So that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.